you can see in this first image, it is just in the middle of the photo, and you can see grey, just like this, very vague. It was dark and hard to get photos. Ooh, yeah, that one's okay. That's probably the best I have. As you can see, we put our trademark in because people keep copying our photos and using our videos. And yeah, look at the black eyes on it. Wow. I don't know if that's the laser pointer or not in the photo, down near its hand. It didn't seem like it was when I took the photos. That was when it was slightly leaving for a second. It came out of focus, just like there. It moved behind a bit or back, just like in this photo. Yeah. Moving away. And it kind of jumped forward quickly and to the left. And that's it. As you can see, it was moving quick because it's blurred. And this is a long distance. As you can see, it's right in the middle of the photo. That's about all I got.